I didn't want to be too involved with the investment, so I just wanted to put my money and know that like it's going in the right direction. So I joined an Islamic financing workshop, and it wasn't like part of Wahed, but it was just volunteers. And as part of that, they were talking about different Islamic investment platforms, and Wahed was one of them, and that's how I found out. It aligned with my goals. So first of all, I didn't want to be too involved with the investment, so I just wanted to put my money and know that like it's going in the right direction. And then second, being halal and like seeing them where it's investing and aligning with my values. So those were the two things. I've been wanting to invest in real estate for a while because I didn't have enough capital to like purchase an entire like place, and at the same time I didn't like trust the other like loan-based platforms. So I think investing in real estate in terms of like having a lot of people put money in a place and then sharing the rent is a good place in terms of like a halal perspective. It's not a gray area. It's very clearly permissible, and at the same time it gives Muslims an avenue to enter the real estate market. So I have two main goals. So first, retirement eventually. So I think like I just want to grow my capital up until retirement. So it's like long-term goals. And at the same time, I wanted to get into like the real estate market in general and start diversifying and having like pieces of different properties and then getting rent from them so that I would eventually reach passive income. So I think in terms of those two goals, I've achieved this through Wahed by investing some of my money through an ISA account and then also through the real estate. I invested in 6 properties through Wahed. I think it worked pretty well. One of like the barriers of entering the real estate market, other than not having the money for the entire equity, is like who's going to manage the place after purchasing the property. So I think like the hands-off experience of just getting my rent every quarter without really being involved in the property management has been really helpful. I would suggest to diversify. So what I've done is that I've purchased multiple properties through Wahed so that it wouldn't be too risky by having one, like all my money in one property in case, because there's always risk with investment. So trying to diversify and like purchasing multiple properties, even if it's smaller portions, rather than having all your money in one property. I think my overall experience is positive, and I can see that whether the app or the platform in general is improving over time, it's maturing, and the features for the user experience are improving as well. So as an investor, I can see how my money is divided and where my money is going. I'd like to see more information about the like real estate piece and like the rent that I've received so far on the platform. But otherwise, yeah, it's been a positive experience.